Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2023 Mazda MX-5 stock on the 6743. This ran from the 2018 to a current shape. It has an ND 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand tail light, rear boot lip no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door 1 dent, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door code, right front master switch, center console lip, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.